What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging. It's already Saturday, so I'm not vlogging for like the week. I'm just going to vlog probably like this the rest of the weekend and maybe going into Monday. I have so much cleaning to do. You guys, I have so much. So I have this laundry to do. This is what's done. I have to wash this pile, this pile, this pile, the blankets and the towels. I'm like cleaning my room right now. My room is a mess. So this is my restroom right now. It's so dirty. I've never done like a cleaning with me type of vlog, so I was just gonna take you guys along with me. Like, this is all dirty, you guys. I just need to deep clean my whole room, and then after I do this, I need to do the boys' room. And this is just the laundry. The piles that I showed you is just the laundry, sadly, in my room. The boys have their own laundry in their own room. I swear I wash all their clothes, and then by the time I'm done washing their clothes, their piles stack up again. It's insane. We're gonna add another little baby to that mix too, so oh my god. I gotta know what else I'm gonna include in this vlog. I know I promised the boys that I'd take them to the park later, so I will probably vlog a little bit of that. I cleaned the kitchen earlier already, so I don't have to do too much cleaning, but I do need to clean downstairs, and then our living room is a mess too up here. So it's messy, but it's really not a lot of cleaning. The couches, being how they look, it's just like, it makes it look really messy. These aren't like my favorite couches in the world, just because, Anthony, you need to stop yelling, please. Okay. Thank you. How these couches are, they have like feathers in them or something. I don't freaking know. But it always messes up the cushions, and every day they look like that. It sucks. But I have to clean Josh's area. I might leave that for him because he has a bunch of real estate stuff, and I don't know where he wants me to put everything. This is my little whatever this is, top of my drawer or whatever. All my jewelry's messed up. Jerry left a juice box in here yesterday. Dang it, Jerry. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog. If you like these types of cleaning, lifestyle type of vlogs, this is definitely the vlog for you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started, because if I don't start now, I'm never going to do it. So let's get started. Alright, so my restroom is clean. I cleaned the mirror. I cleaned out all my little drawers. I just have like my random little things in here. And then this has nothing in it. This is hot glue, like from a hot glue gun. If you guys know how to get rid of that, please tell me. And then I just have like some random hair things in here. I'm gonna start folding and hanging these up. I need to put another load. And it doesn't really look like I've done anything. I really haven't done anything in here. But before I'm doing that, I do want to like sweep in here. It's so embarrassing how dirty everything is right now, but that's why I'm cleaning everything. Shit just like builds up, you know, and it's hard. And yeah, so that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I'm going to fold some clothes, hang some laundry, put another load in, do that good stuff. So I do hang up probably 70% of my clothes, honestly. Shirts, even like shirts like this, hang up on my dresses. I fold my pants and I put them in my closet. The only things that I don't really hang up are like shorts, really distressed, beat up like big t-shirts, and my gym leggings. Other than that, everything, and skirts if I have them. I don't really have a lot of skirts. Other than that, everything goes in my closet and gets hung up. So you're going to see me putting a lot of stuff into a pile to get hung up. And then I do the same thing with the boys' clothes. But I fold probably a little bit more of their stuff though, just because their closet isn't super big. I think it's going to be time for me to go through the boys' clothes just to see like what they still wear. When it comes to Anthony's clothes, I save a lot of his clothes only because Jeremiah could wear them when he, you know, gets bigger. But Jeremiah's clothes, I put into a bag and I usually just donate them. Like they have so many more clothes than I do, I feel like. But Anthony is really big on like clothes and like fashion stuff. He just wants to wear the coolest things. And so we always buy him a lot of clothes because that's all he really wants like all the time. He doesn't like toys or anything anymore. He's growing up. But I mean, it's fine because clothes are more useful anyways. He used to think it was boring to get clothes, but now he like prefers to get clothes. So I was gonna put all my crop tops away just because I didn't think I was gonna be able to wear them, but I get a lot of inspiration on Pinterest. You guys should go on Pinterest. I use Pinterest for everything, for all types of inspiration, for home inspiration, cleaning inspiration, clothes inspiration, outfit stuff, and party stuff, like anything I need help with or some guidance, I always go to Pinterest. I haven't bought anything really to fit me while being pregnant, but I do want to go buy some stuff. I do want to buy like a pair of maternity pants just to have a pair. So yeah, just to talk to you guys a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and try to zoom through these clothes and I will check in a little bit. Hi, I haven't checked in probably in the last couple hours. I've just been cleaning, folding, and doing all the laundry, and then I had to stop to make the boys lunch and stuff, and I cleaned downstairs a little bit, but my room is pretty much clean. The only thing I didn't clean is our bathroom. I let Josh clean the bathroom because boys are disgusting. And then I did not clean our closet fully. I kind of like organized our clothes, but I didn't like fully clean in there. And I still have 2 loads of clothes left and then 1 load of blankets, but everything else is pretty much clean. So those are the 2 loads I still have, and this is the load of blankets. Cleaned over here, and this is all nice and cleaned. I dusted it and reorganized all my jewelry so this didn't look as crazy. You guys saw how crazy it looked. I don't have anywhere to put these because they don't really hang anywhere. Like, it's kind of hard. Same with these. So I need to find something to put next to this little jewelry stand so I can put those. And then I didn't clean Josh's desk because I don't know where he wants me to put all this kind of stuff. So he can do that. This was Pop-Tarts from Jerry hanging out with me earlier. And then I still have hangers and stuff. I cleaned over there. And then the restroom is nice and clean. I still didn't get to go to Walmart yet, so I can clean the window or, I don't know, the glass. Josh is at work, so he has our car. So I haven't been able to go. But this is what I look like. Just beautiful, huh? Just gorgeous. So I like dusted our fan. I cleaned like all the little borders along the carpet. I cleaned our door and that border. I cleaned all the borders of everything. And I'm so tired. I don't know. Oh shit. I'm so tired and I don't know. I mean, I know why I'm tired. I haven't really ate today, which I know is really bad because I'm pregnant. But I've just been cleaning, and when I start cleaning, like I have to clean until I'm done, because if I stop, then I'm gonna just be done. And I really wanted to finish, so I'm glad I got a lot of it done already because you guys saw how it looked before. So I'm glad a lot of it's clean now. It already feels better in my room, but I just have to do a couple more loads of laundry and then I will be all done. So I think how I'm going to edit it up until this point, it shouldn't have been super long. I feel like I've been vlogging, I mean I have only been vlogging today, but I feel like I vlogged a lot of like just me cleaning, but I think how I edit it, it wouldn't be as long. We were gonna go to the park today, but Josh, ooh, why am I out of focus? Focus on me. How long have I been out of focus? I don't even know. Hello, there I am. We were gonna go to the park today, but Josh wants to watch these basketball games, but he wants to go with us to the park, so he said we should go to the park tomorrow. He's off and stuff, so we'll probably take the boys to have a little Sunday fun day at the park tomorrow. I need a fucking vacuum, you guys. I had to sweep my carpet because our vacuum that we have doesn't really get the job done, and I could clean my carpet way better sweeping it than using our vacuum. And it takes a long time when I have to sweep it, and I didn't get to fully sweep everything because I still have clothes on the floor, but I swept a little bit of it. And I had so much stuff on my carpet. But what kind of vacuum do you guys have? What do you recommend? Because the one I have is shitty. I can't even tell you what it is. It's like a Dirt Devil, like a cheap ass vacuum that we've had, and it's just worn out already because I think it was like 60 bucks. Might have to invest in one of those like $200 vacuums. But what do you guys use? Let me know. I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I'm just talking about random things. So, Mr. Fiance got me food. Thank you. I got the kids pizza. Got root beer. He got beer. You got beer.
What do you mean?
And I got beer too, but it's root beer. So I forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging. Well, I didn't forget that I was supposed to be vlogging. I was just too excited, and I did not want to like wait. But me and my niece Kiana came to this little fair that our town's having, and we only came for one thing and one thing only. A funnel cake. Literally. Ooh, those people are fighting over there. Ooh, she fucking going in on him. Anyways, we literally came for the funnel cake. We were here for like 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. We just came to get a funnel cake. So I wanted to throw that in there really quick. Wait, there's a bug. Oh, Kiana, don't open my door. Don't get no bugs in my car. I'm scared. Hurry, Kiana.
Oh my, no.
All right.
You need to leave. That was a bug.
Yeah, we're leaving now. But I got the funnel cake. I want to try it. I'm going to try it.
2-day 420 festival. Early bird specials run from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. on April 19th. Free. And after 2 p.m. on both days,
Oh, yeah.
35
All right, we gotta go. All right, good morning, guys. So it's the next day. It's Sunday. It's about almost 9 o'clock. My brother's meeting me for breakfast. I know I can always count on him to meet me and have food. Where we're at, I think I'm gonna get this vegetarian omelette with home fries and toast. But they have so many things. Ooh. And with this scrub, we got a spinach and feta omelet, home fries, wheat toast, blah blah blah. There's a fried steak somewhere under there. I don't know where it's at. I need this. Always put pepper. It is so hot in Arizona. Oh my god. Last I checked in, I really don't remember. I think I was leaving breakfast. I don't really know. But we are gonna go to the park right now. Josh is in the car, so Josh is in the car. No, he's not. He's in the house, but he's coming. And then we're gonna go to the park and hang out and just chill, and then we'll see what happens. I'll bring you guys along for your photos. Just want to say hello, check in with you. Let's pop. So Dad and Anthony are gonna play basketball. Me and Jerry are gonna walk around. We're gonna play on the playground, and we're gonna hang out. Yeah, the dogs. You see the dogs? We're at the park. Bye. You want me to hold that? Oh no, am I holding this? Is that what I'm doing? Okay. Alright. I got a snow cone. But it's melted already. And I picked up on this guy, and now he's obsessed with me. What's your name is again? I don't know what we're doing after this. The kids are playing. Well, Jerry's right here. Jerry, what are you doing? Okay. Anthony was playing basketball with Josh, but that didn't work out. Well, I mean, it worked out for like 10 minutes. Then got over it.
Now he's on the monkey bars.
Where? There's Anthony. He's dressed like he's ready to play basketball. He's been talking about it all day. It's probably just hot. It's hot over there, huh?
He kept saying.
Look at the sun. Team Adidas. Hey. He's so tired. Is it hot?
Nope.
Why'd you mess up your hair? Guys, so I don't even remember where I left off vlogging. My camera is dead right now, but I wanted to finish off the vlog, so I'm gonna just make some food for, I'm gonna make some food for the kids. Don't mind my swatches. I'm gonna make some food for the kids right now, get me something to eat, And then I'll be closing out the vlog. I'm gonna make the kids sopa. Keep it simple. I have my sister's kids here with me too, so it just is something that's easy and it fills all of the kids up. So I'm getting all in my pot. Ugh, my legs are sore. My kids like it with the shells, not the fideo. So sopa is really easy to make. You just put oil and you can put whatever spices you want. The only spice that I'm missing is cumin. I love cumin. It's the only one I don't have right now. But I put salt, I put pepper, I put sazon, I put garlic powder. That's pretty much it. And then I put, what's it called? I put cumin, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna keep it just simple. So I'm making the sopa right now. I just put everything in there. Put like a water bottle and a half. I'm gonna let that boil and simmer. Get your nasty dirty hands out of here. Jerry, can you show me your handshake with Kiana?
Yeah.
Can I see it? So before I got pregnant, I was like so fit and on my healthy eating that I never drank soda. Ever. Ever. You never saw me drinking soda. But orange soda has been like my shit. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just end the vlog here, you guys, because I'm not really going to do anything else today. I'm going to just make them dinner and then make myself something and then just watch some Parks and Rec. If you don't watch Parks and Rec, Parks and Recreation. So good, so funny. I know this vlog was like a little, it began something and then kind of like, and like went down. But I'm getting better at it. I'm trying. You guys asked for vlogs, so I'm just giving y'all what you want. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more vlogs from me, just let me know. I am gonna do another one this next weekend, or yeah, and then I'll be. Oh my God, slow down. I'll be doing another one for Easter. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Say, give me a thumbs up. Say, give mommy a thumbs up.
Get up.
Bye, guys.